How to use the available controls on your device. Every device has its own controls. The controls on a smartphone or tablet is different from the controls on a computer. Here are some common controls you might encounter on your smartphone or tablet. The power button. This button turns the device on or off. Press it briefly to toggle the power state. The volume button. This button controls the device's volume level. On most devices, the volume button is located at the side. Press the upper button to increase the volume and the lower button to decrease the volume. Home buttons. On some devices, this button returns you to the home screen or main menu. Press it to exit an app or return to the device's main interface. Navigation buttons. If your device has physical navigation buttons, they allow you to navigate through menus, options, or pages. Use these directional arrows to move up, down, left, or right. Touchscreen controls. If your device features a touchscreen, you can interact with it by tapping, swiping, or dragging your fingers across the screen. Use gestures to navigate through menus, launch apps, or interact with content. Settings button. This button grants access to the device's settings menu, where you can adjust various configurations, preferences, or options. Camera button. On devices with built-in cameras, this button allows you to capture photos or record videos. Press it to take a picture or start and stop video recordings.